Right guys, so this is the final trial for the battery test. Now it's 7 o'clock on Monday the 24th. We're going to run this down, see how long it takes. I'll share the results with you at the end. Now this is the third take because I had 2 attempts over the past week, and this video was supposed to go up the weekend before I do post this video. But battery information of the watch, I missed it because I ended up fully charging the watch again, so lost access to the details. I don't know why it's showing no battery now on the watch face, but yeah. We're using the Tetris watch face, which takes relatively more battery than usual. But yeah, I have high hopes. Let's see how this goes. What on earth is going on here? Just noticed. Let's fix that up, shall we? There we are. Alright, so the thing is, guys, I switched this watch on just like a minute ago and we've already lost 3%. Don't know what's going on there. I hope this doesn't keep up. Let's see. Let's find out how much this battery life varies. Now this watch face, I did test it over the past few attempts as well, and it didn't seem to have a problem. But you know what? Let's just see, because I find it quite concerning that in this attempt 3%'s gone already and it's only been 3 minutes. So yeah, wish this watch luck. Let's see how it goes. I do have Wi-Fi turned off, touch to raise is turned off, raise to wake is turned off, only the always on display and constant heart rate monitoring is turned on. We also have the blood oxygen saturation monitor for nighttime turned on. Those are the only 3 features I'm going to keep on, and we also have Google Assistant installed. So we're going to figure out whether Google Assistant being installed has any impact on the battery life at all. I don't know if I'm going to be posting the last few attempts of the battery life test. I think I'll just post this to keep the video nice and short. I'll focus on getting this one right to make sure you guys get an accurate idea of how much battery you'll get with these settings. And yeah, if you guys want to see a battery test with different settings, simply post a comment down below and I'll make a video on with the settings you want, essentially. Like if I do get enough time, as yeah, uni life is quite busy at the moment, got exams, but if I do get a chance, I will post it. Guys, you may have seen I recently posted a Google Assistant tutorial, and everything I did on the watch was in the duration of this battery life test. So you can see how much I actually used Google Assistant during this test. So keep that in mind when looking at the results, and you're likely to get a better result than me. So guys, we are currently at 11:19 and we're on 27% battery. So we're doing okay. It seems we're very well on track, and it seems we may just make it through the night. So I'll see you in the morning. We'll see if we're still alive, and yeah. Right guys, so what we have got is the watch at 6% and it's 8:44 AM on the 26th. So we've gone well past the 24-hour mark. So it seems with an always on display we can get pretty much the same to relatively new battery life. I mean, compared to when we first started. So when we first started, it was like about 4 to 7 hours above a day. Let's see where we're at now. So it looks like we are on 1 day and 13 hours. So that is just shy of the 40 hours claimed, but it seems longer than the results I got when I first got the watch. So over time, with updates and like software updates, and also just I think the watch identifying my usage patterns, it seems the battery has improved. So yeah, I didn't expect that, but that is the case. I'm going to obviously test the watch again a few times, and if it is the case that it's any different to this test here, I'll probably inform you guys either through the description or some other means. But otherwise, I feel like this is a very good reflection of the fact that over time, Wear OS is improving. I think it's definitely worth having expectations for more in the future, because there is still a lot more that Samsung and Google can do and hopefully will do. So it is 10:20 and we are on 1%. This is essentially the final few minutes and it's gone. So yeah, we're gonna have to pick out the amount of time it was alive for later on when it's charged up again, because I won't be able to check it out while it's dead. So right guys, so we're just starting up the watch and let's check out the battery details. Just loading up. So we finished up just shy of 40 hours. Now that's 39 hours with Google Assistant being used, health services with the overnight oxygen saturations monitor, heart rate monitoring, and always on display. The only things being turned off is the tap to raise and the tap to wake and the raise to wake features. So yeah, that's a pretty good result if you ask me. I would highly recommend picking one up even this late. I think even if you bought one that's like refurbished, it would still have a very good battery life at this stage. Thanks for tuning in. This is Rack signing out.